Hey, today I'm going to teach you how to do a video promo for your home improvement business. All you need is a smartphone, some decent lighting, to be personal, have an offer, and a call to action. I even include a video promo of my own of a home improvement business that I just made up off the cuff. Keep things simple, get it out there. Most guys don't do this. You'll stand up above the game if you include all these steps and just put yourself out there and build that trust with the customer. All right? Have a good one. Oh, hey, I'm Jeremiah with Jay's Plumbing. And I just want to let you guys know we do all types of plumbing services, including fixing those water heaters, leaky faucets, unclogging those toilets, and fixing those sinks. Now, right now we're offering 20% off for all of our new customers, military veterans, and seniors. So go ahead and give us a call. We're locally owned, family operated, and our number is 555-521-5354. I'll talk to you soon.